Welcome back everyone. In my last video, we learnt about how the process of digestion takes place in human being. Now we are going to learn about the process of digestion in cattle or ruminants. So what is ruminant? What are ruminants? The grass eating animals are known as ruminants. Ruminants are plant eating animals that digest their food in two steps. In ruminants, the process of digestion takes place in two steps. First step, when they take food and just swallow it inside their stomach, and second step, when food comes again in their mouth for cutting, for chewing, for thorough chewing. Process of digestion in ruminant. How the process of digestion takes place in ruminant. In ruminants, there is four-chambered stomach, and these four-chambered are involved for the process of digestion. So when they take in food, that food goes to the first chamber after swallowing. That first chamber is rumen. Food that is swallowed goes into the first chamber called rumen. So rumen is the first chamber. Inside rumen, food is partially digested and is called cud. Inside rumen, actually food is partially digested. It's not complete digested. And then that partially digested food is called cud. What is name of partially digested food? It is cud. Cud then goes to the second chamber called reticulum. Name of second chamber is reticulum. The partially digested food or curd is then passed to the second chamber, and the name of second chamber is reticulum. From reticulum, food is returned to mouth for thorough chewing. When food goes to second chamber reticulum, then that food is passed to the mouth again. It just supplied to the pushed again to the mouth for thorough chewing. This process of chewing is called rumination or cuding. You must have seen some times the cattle are just moving their mouth. That is called cuding. They just take in again the partially digested food to their mouth from stomach and just chew it repeatedly. That process is called rumination or cuding. And after rumination, food is pushed to third chamber called omasum. Name of third chamber is omasum, and that partially digested food which has gone to mouth and then cutting process done. Then after cutting, that food is pushed to third chamber, that is omasum. And then from omasum it goes to fourth chamber, that is called abomasum. Abomasum is actually true stomach. Here complete digestion takes place, and then after complete digestion, food goes to the moves towards the small intestine. Then in small intestine, the process of absorption and assimilation takes place, and the undigested food moves towards the large intestine, and then digestion takes place. You know, there is a reason why ruminants are doing the process of cutting. Why they swallow their food quickly. The herbivores, after taking food like grass or plant, leaves, anything, after taking food just moves towards a safe place to hide themselves from their predator, and then they just swallow food quickly and move to the a safe place, and after that the process of digestion and cutting takes place, because after moving to a safe place they again just chew the food. This is why there are two steps in the process of digestion in ruminants. Hope you understood the chapter, the topic. Just have a look on the screen.